in industry now, Java version 18 and 19 are getting extensively used. Recently, Java has released version 20 also with few enhanced feature. I have not explored that Java 19 and 20 feature. Still, many of my colleagues who are having years of experience in Java technology are reaching out to me and discussing about Java 8 features. Still, Java 8 features seems to be a little bit mystery for many of the developers. Developers are trying to understand the exact business use case where they should apply Java 8 features. I thought that today I should spend time with all of you and record few videos that I think that will be helpful for all of you to quickly understand Java 8 features. I'm habituated to read through the books and to talk with all of you based on the books learning rather than following the tutorials. So for Java 8, the best book which I have read and recommending all of you read, and that is Java 8 in Action. So please manage time and go with that entire book. Reach out to me if certain explanation required over there. Quickly, I have searched one tutorial and found it little interesting. java.brahmin.com, and I reached over here Java 8 new features. So I'm taking you through the new features which has been added in Java 8, and I will explain each feature in a separate video, and I will try to create the business scenario where we are going to apply these features, these principles, and I will have demonstrate it with the hands-on implementation by writing the code. So thanks for your attention, dear friend. Uh, uh, Basically, Java 8, it has been released in year late 2011 or 12. We have started using it from 2013. So it's now you can say the almost 10 years, 9 years of this Java 8 features. It was a wonderful feature has been introduced by Java. The core feature that has been introduced in Java version 8 that was related with the functional programming. Thought about the functional programming in Java. So that I will come. That has been further taken ahead into the Java version 9 and onward. So the important feature which has been introduced in Java version 8, that was Lambda expression, method references, among interface introduction of default and static method, and some functional interfaces. Java has introduced a package called java.util.functions. Inside that java.util.functions, you are having the four functional interfaces. These are predicate, consumer, function, and supplier. So these four functional interfaces are very useful, dear friend, whenever we are writing a Spring Boot program or microservices or AWS Lambda. All conception of predicate and consumer or function or supplier, we are extensively using in our hands-on implementation. So all these things we need to understand very clearly. So my idea for this discussion is to take your attention on functional interfaces and Lambda. That is one topic. Java.util.functions that are having four functional interfaces: predicate, consumer, function, and supplier. So that is another interesting point we need to explore. And the other is method reference and the constructor reference. That is very easy to do. So these are further to that, Java has introduced the third feature which I would like to highlight, that is the stream API. So Java 8 has introduced the feature of a stream API, and under stream API we are going to see the serial stream and parallel stream, and how a stream API will facilitate you to perform certain list of operations. The collector interface, you will have the terminal operation and all we will discuss. And some enhancement has happened in date and time package also. And now we see the whole world is working in different time zone. So and we are having different representation of format of date and time also. So how to get the local time, how to get the local date, and how to represent the date into certain local format. That was also one consideration has been added in Java version 8. So if I can categorize Java 8 features, dear friend, so in Java 8 features, we are going to have a discussion related with this. So first is new functions package that has been added, what I was highlighting. Java.util.function package has been introduced, and that package is having four interfaces, functional interfaces: predicate, consumer, function, and supplier. So these four functional interfaces we will see in action with hands-on implementation. What is significance of all these interfaces and how it's going to be useful for us. Second is related with Stream API. What is Stream API? Stream API overview and filtering and slicing, mapping, matching, and find any and parallel stream and reducing with using reducer and reducing the stream. So that is going to be one important aspect, dear friend. And another thing which we will discuss together, that is Lambda function. So introduction of functional interface and the Lambda expression. So what is functional interface and how Lambda expression is going to simplify the way we can deal with functional interface, that we will see. And in real in continuation with the same journey of functional interfaces, we can have a look about the function descriptor, method reference, and constructor reference. So broadly, I can classify Java 8 features summarized into four different concepts, dear friend, or four different subtopics. The first topic is Lambda and functional interface. So functional interface, Lambda expression, function descriptor, method reference, and constructor reference. Altogether, it's going to be one feature. So we will discuss that. New function package, that is going to be second feature, where we are going to discuss predicate, consumer, function, and supplier interface. That is part of java.util.function interface. And third is stream API, where we are going to discuss the stream API overview and filtering and slicing, mapping, matching, and find, and after that reducers. All those operations we will see on the stream API. We will discuss about parallel stream also. And the fourth one I told, the default method and the static method has been introduced in Java version 8 for the interface. That is very, you can say, the easy feature that has been introduced, but equally very important one that we will see. And one I told related with the date and time enhancement has happened. So that also we can see. But these are the four features where I am quite interested in. Again, I am summarizing it. A Lambda function, function package, java.util.function, stream API, and default method and the collectors, all these. So please continue with me in the series of video, and I will try my level best to give the hands-on implementation of all these features by considering the business use case, the industry business use case, and we will explore all these features together. Thanks for watching. Stay with us and continue with the next video, dear friend. Thank you.